Okay, tell everybody what you think about these candies and tell them what color they are.
Pink. Pink. Green. And blue. So, let's close it up. It's dusty.
What do you think about the candy?
That's dusty.
It's disgusting. Good as it's gonna get, Mama.
That's tickle.
It tickles.
Tickle. So, what's doing makeup?
So,
Okay. Hi, it's Daphne. Petite Maquillage. Today, use a glitter. Ooh, Maquillage. We're doing it. My princess. This is started. It's too sticky. It's too sticky. Primer. Ooh. I need to slap it. Ooh. Fine addition. I need.
do you need help?
Yes.
Okay.
Scrub it.
Good job.
And we need. Help. Huh?
No. Did tickle.
Why in my feet? Ooh.
Good job.
Pink eyes with this power. Earrings. Is that pink bells?
Yeah. It's gonna be so pretty. Close your eyes.
Ooh. Jelly. So, what's the way make them? Oh,
Keep your eyes closed. Silly goose. Close your eyes.
Ooh. Glitter.
chills.
I told.
You're cold?
Yeah.
You can go get a blanket. Pretty princess!
Pretty princess. Mascara. Click. Ooh. Let's laugh.
Okay, which color do you like?
This one.
This one?
That
Okay.
one. Ooh.
Good, Mama.
Whoa! Thank you. You watch. I love you. Like and it's right. Thank you much. Thursday. It's sister later. Bye. La 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 la. Let's do it. So, let's do my makeup. When I finally, so let's do my makeup. So let's do my makeup. So let's turn this on and light off, and let's do. So I bother the light. I saw that light. So I bottom the makeup. Ready? Let's do the makeup. We're making it. Later.